Hello guys, it's me Sam. Today is July 13th, 2026, and we're going to see our Carrier air conditioning. Here it is. The fan motor is hot. It's got a complete swirl compressor. And you got 13 here. Why 19? 2.5 guys. Because we're going to see windmill and the other air conditioner. This is just like the other video I made. There's a blue jay. It's like the other video I made last July 13th, 2025. It's called the 2019 Pain and the Cake I made. So watch that one. It's just like this one almost, but I didn't make a cake. There's the windmill, guys. Alright, we're going to see the other air conditioner. Bunch of dirt. Yeah, I did make a cake. It's right there. You guys can see my shadow. We're along to see it. Here we go. We're coming along. It's over here. It's 90.5 degrees out. There it is. This is an old relay switch. Here's the compressor wires. You connect that to a capacitor. Yeah, but I decided to connect them up to this. This is like a history. I think I just got shocked. Ooh. There we go, orange. I can't get this wire to go on. I'm gonna try my hardest. Come on, I got it. Okay, now this wire should go right here. There we go, all connected up. And here's some switches. And a fuse. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned and like and subscribe for more. Bye guys, see you.